Since the dawn of civilization, one animal has been man's constant companion, the dog. The story begins tens of thousands of years ago with the gray wolf. Over time, some wolves, the braver ones, started hanging around human settlements. These wolves were the first to be domesticated, slowly evolving into the dogs we know today. They helped with hunting and guarding, becoming invaluable partners. As humans spread across the globe, so did dogs. Different environments and purposes led to a huge variety of breeds. From loyal guardians to loving companions, dogs have played an integral role in human society, shaping our history and enriching our lives. Their story is our story.